Welcome back. We are now going to use the entire existing context in order to write a welcome email for the customers that purchased the product. We're going to give ChatGPT a prompt in order to undertake this task. Now, this first email, we are going to give ChatGPT some instructions. And we're going to tell the chatbot that this email is for one of the first 10 buyers, which we have designated in a previous context that these individuals will receive a one-on-one consultation. And so now that we have all of our information in, we're now going to click Enter. And ChatGPT successfully wrote the email that is a welcome email to one of the first 10 buyers. We are now going to ask the chatbot to write another email for those that purchase after the 10th buyer. So we're going to give ChatGPT another command. We're now going to click Enter. And ChatGPT successfully left out the information for those that came after the 10th purchase. So we can set this up inside of our autoresponder system to make sure that the right people get the right message. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.